Those who are familiar with Chennai, rather the old Madras, will know that when you cross Napier Bridge and go towards Paris Corner, you will find a bridge near the Reserve Bank of India. Many years ago, maybe 50, 60 years ago, there was no bridge there. Rather, it is an underpass. At the time, the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu was considered to be one of the wisest men, very less literate but extremely wise. His name was Kamraj. He had been hearing a lot of complaints from people that this is posing a problem and something needs to be done. A bridge needs to be built there, an underpass. And then he called some of the chief engineers and then started discussing with them. Each and every one of them came to him and then said, it's not possible to build this bridge because of this reason, that reason, and whatever. He listened to them patiently for some time. At some point of time, he said, I don't need an expert to come and tell that something is not possible. I myself can tell you it's not possible. I'm not that much of a literate, but I can tell you it's not possible. Why do I need an expert? When I ask an expert, it is for them to come and tell me how to make it possible. You either do it, or I'll find some other expert who already told me that it is possible. And apparently in less than 2 days, he had a design on his table, and which went on to be built as the underpass near the Reserve Bank of India, what is known as the underpass there. This throws a very interesting aspect of life to us. If you keep asking questions, if you do not give up, there is a very good chance that you will get an answer to what you are seeking. We are going through one of the toughest situations that humanity has seen in the last 100 years or so. And this is the time for us to stick our neck out and ask tough questions. Any expert, why expert? Anybody can come and tell you that it's not possible. Your business is going to collapse. We cannot survive. We will not be able to stabilize. We will not be able to surge ahead. We don't need educated, literate people to come and tell us that something is not possible. We ourselves know that if we allow things to go the way in which they are going, it will not be possible. Hence, this is the time for you to dig deep, be wise, find people who can tell you how it is possible. Every major crisis in the world has always found a solution. There is always a light at the end of the tunnel. There is somebody who has a solution which fits exactly what you need. All you have to do is keep digging, keep asking. Do not give up till you find the answer. Another 2 to 3 months are going to be tough for any business for that matter, whether you are in trading, whether you are in manufacturing, whether you are in distribution, whatever line you are. You need this time for you to survive. Ask questions. How do I improve my cash position? How do I increase my sales? How do I manage my credit position? How do I manage my inventory? How do I reinvent my IT to go digital? There are several questions that you can ask which will strategically make you to really ensure that you survive in this tough period. Once you survive, once the tough period is out, the government is backing with so many innovative schemes which are coming. I mean, talk with a lot of government officials. I find that overall India is going to be very positive because of the geopolitical situation that we are in. We are poised for tremendous amount of growth, but for that to happen, you are like a seed which is yet to germinate. You have to fight the onslaught of the weeds, which is predominantly your negative thinking, fear, doubts. If you are able to go through this, talk to an expert, talk to someone who can give you comfort. If you are able to cross that survival period, it's a question of then stabilizing and surging ahead. Don't allow experts, don't allow anyone to come and tell you that it's not possible. Make it possible, ask the questions, dig deep, stay deep. We are there to help you. We will make it together. Thank you.